Hello class 2, how are you? Today I am going to teach you English language. It is your third chapter, one and many in numbers. Now go through with this chapter. Noun are divided into two groups. And what is noun? You have already learned this in your previous chapter. Okay, what is noun? What is noun? The noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Name of a person, place or thing is called noun. Noun are divided into two groups on the basis of numbers. On the basis of numbers, noun are divided into two groups. What is the two group? Two group is singular and plural. Singular means one and plural means many. Okay. When a noun talks of a person, of a one person, place or thing, the noun is of singular. When we talk about only one person, one place or one thing is of singular noun. If we are talking about one person, place or thing, this is singular noun. When, look at here, a boy, a mango, a parrot, this is singular noun because here is only one boy, one mango, one parrot. When a noun talks about more than one person, if I am talking about a person, place or thing which is more than one, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever it is called plural number. Okay, plural number. Now look at here, boys. Here is 3 boys. Okay, we are adding s here. Okay, boys, mangoes, parrots, because here more than one, that is called plural noun. Okay, singular is single means one. Okay, and plural means more than one. Formation of the plural and singular. How to form plural to singular and singular to plural. We generally make plurals from singulars by adding s. How to make plural? Generally we add s. For example, look at here. Singular and plural. Now pen means a single pen. Okay, pen means a single pen. Pens. If I say that pens, that means here more than. Okay, pens. Now turn your page. Boy means one boy. Okay. Boys, if we say that boys, I am adding s here. That means more than one boy. Okay. Apple, if we say that apple, here is only one apple. Apple. If I say that apples, that means it is plural noun and here is more than one apple. Okay. Tree, tree means a singular, a single tree, one tree. If I say that trees, that means there are a lot of trees and it is plural noun. Trees. Generally we make singular to plural, we add only s. But here are some words. Read the following. Noun loud, watch, glass, box, fox. These are nouns. When we change the above word to the plural noun, then we add es. Es. Okay. The word which is ended with the noun which end with s, z, x, sh, a double s and ch change into plural form by adding es. Okay, now look at here. Watch, glass, these are noun. Box, fox. When we convert these nouns into plural noun, we add es. Okay. For example, watch plus es. What will we write? Watches. That means there is lot of watches, more than one. Okay, watches. Glass plus es, glasses, GLASSES. This is singular and this is plural. This is singular and this is plural. This is one, this is more than one. Box plus es, it will be boxes. Fox, add es, it will be foxes. Now understood this? Some word, some noun, when we convert into plural, we add es with them. Noun which end with ch, which noun we have to convert with by adding es. Now see here, this is very important. Noun which end with s. Okay, s, z, x, s, z, x, s, h, double s and ch. Change into plural form by adding es. By adding es, we have to add es with them. For example, glass, glasses, ठीक है, class, classes, grass, grasses, some nouns end with y. Some noun end with y, like baby, city, fairy. We change them into plural form by changing into ies. For example, look at some more examples of these nouns. Match. Look at here, ch. Ch is here. We have to change this by adding es. Matches. Okay. And brush. sh. Brushes. 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 And dish, dishes, these are some examples of these nouns. The noun which end with s, zx, szx, sh, double s and ch, we will add es when we convert into plural. When we convert singular to plural of these nouns which end with s, z, x, sh, double s and ch, we have add es with these nouns. Some nouns end with y. Some nouns which end with y, like baby, city, fairy, okay. Here is some nouns which end with y letter, okay, y letter. We change them into plural form by changing y into es. We change these nouns plural, we change y into ies. For example, baby. Baby will be, we have to change y here. Babies, ies. City, change y here. City, cities. We have to remove y and use ies. Fairy, ries, fairies. Story, here is some more examples. Story, body, story will be stories. Body will be bodies when we convert into singular. Now understood? Some nouns are ended with Y letter. We replace Y with IES. Okay. Like baby, convert into plural noun. We have to write babies here. City, cities. Fairy, fairies. Story, stories. Body, bodies. Now, next is noun ending with F or FE are changed into their plural form by replacing F and FE with VS. Some nouns ended with F and FE. Okay. Some nouns ended with F and FE, when we convert into plural form by using, we have to remove F and FE from the noun and add VES. We have to remove these letters from the noun. For example, leaf. Okay. What will be here? LEAV. We have to remove F. Leaves. One leaf and more than one leaves. Okay. This is singular and this is plural form of leaf. Knife. Knife, we have to remove FE from this noun. It will be knives. Okay. And now look at another one. In some word only the vowel change to make them plural. Here we change vowel. Okay. How to change? Now look at here. In this noun, for example, foot, we have to change. When we convert this noun into plural, this singular noun into plural, we will change this vowel sound word letters. It will be fit. Okay. Tooth. Tooth means one tooth, singular, and teeth means more than one teeth. Man means a single man. MEN, men means more than one man. This is plural form. Goose means single goose and geese means more than one geese. Now understood these? Generally some nouns, when we convert into singular to plural, we add only S letter. For example, pen, pens, boy, boys, apple, apples, tree, trees. But some nouns which ended with S, X, Z, SH, double S and CH change into plural by adding ES. Okay, we add ES in these nouns which ended with S, Z, X SH, double S and CH. Some nouns ended with Y. In these nouns we have to remove Y and add IES, like for example baby, babies, city, cities, fairy, fairies. Some noun ended with F and FE. In these nouns we have to replace F and FE with VES. For example, leaf, we have to remove F here and add VES. The word will be leaves. Knife, we have to remove FE and then add VES. Knives. Some words only the vowel change to make the plural. For example, foot means one foot. Feet means both feet. Tooth means a singular form of means one teeth, and teeth means there are more than one tooth. Man means one man, and MEN man means more than one man. Goose means one. It is a bird, okay, and geese means more than one geese. Now look at here. Here is some exercise for you. Do practice these exercises, and I will send you worksheet also of these exercises. You have to do these exercises in your book, and some exercise you have to do in your notebook also, and practice more and more of these type of nouns also. Now goodbye and take care all of you, class 2.